working with document scanning automation, and have KPR files from Kofax Express. These are project files from a leading document capture software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening and working with these Kofax Express project files. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a KPR file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. A project file created by Kofax Express, an application for high-speed document scanning and processing. The KPR file stores settings for a specific scanning job, including scanner configurations, image enhancement rules, indexing fields, and export destinations. It allows users to standardize and automate batch scanning tasks. The KPR file is typically an XML-based or proprietary binary format that acts as a configuration manifest. It's designed to be a self-contained job ticket, storing all parameters needed to replicate a complex scanning workflow. This structure ensures consistency and efficiency in enterprise document management environments. The software default for the KPR file type is the solution provided by Kofax Inc.'s Kofax Express. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows does not process proprietary data structures, so dedicated applications must read them. Your essential first move is the file association test. Right-click the KPR file and choose Open With. If Kofax Express is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. Don't worry if you need to try a few. If your KPR file will not open yet, do not panic. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the KPR error using these 3 focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, opening in Kofax Express. Install Kofax Express software with appropriate licensing through your Tungsten automation reseller. Launch the application and use File Then Open project to load the KPR file. The software displays the complete capture workflow with scanner settings, image processing rules and output destinations, ready for document scanning operations. Next, importing into Kofax Capture. For enterprise deployments, migrate KPR projects to Kofax Capture or KTA Kofax Total Agility. Use the migration utilities provided by Kofax to import project configurations into the enterprise platform. This enables scaling document capture operations beyond Kofax Express limitations to high-volume production scanning. Finally, documenting workflow configurations. Even without immediate Kofax Express access, document KPR file purposes by examining file metadata and any accompanying documentation. Maintain workflow documentation describing scanner settings, processing rules, and export configurations. This knowledge preserves operational continuity when migrating to newer document capture platforms over time. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.